everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on a product that promises to elevate audio quality to new heights. The WBC-PRO-Quad Ultra-Silent, Ultra-Flexible Balanced Star-Quad Cable from WORLD's Best CABLES. This isn't just any XLR cable. It's a meticulously engineered piece of equipment designed for serious audio professionals and enthusiasts alike. Right out of the box, one immediately notices the premium feel. These come as a pair of 6-foot cables, a very practical length for many studio and live applications. The first thing that stands out is the ultra-flexible aspect. This cable truly lives up to its name. It's incredibly pliable, making it a dream to route around equipment through tight spaces or coil up neatly after a session. No more fighting with stiff, unruly cables that refuse to lie flat or tangle themselves into knots. This flexibility also speaks to its durability, as it's less prone to internal damage from bending and stress over time. Then there's the ultra-silent claim, which is where the Star-Quad design comes into play. For those unfamiliar, a Star-Quad configuration uses 4 conductors twisted around a central filler, with 2 conductors wired to the positive and 2 to the negative. This unique geometry provides superior common mode noise rejection, meaning it's exceptionally effective at canceling out electromagnetic interference, EMI, and radio frequency interference, RFI. In a world full of electronic devices, this translates to an incredibly clean, noise-free signal path. For critical recording, live sound, or broadcast environments where every bit of clarity matters, this feature is invaluable. It ensures that the sound captured or transmitted is pure, uncolored by external noise. The connectors themselves are top-tier Nutric male and female XLR plugs. Nutric is the industry standard for a reason. Their connectors are renowned for their robust construction, reliable locking mechanisms, and excellent signal integrity. The secure connection these plugs provide means no accidental disconnections during a crucial performance or recording session, and their durability ensures they'll withstand countless plug-ins and pull-outs. Aesthetically, the black tweed jacket gives these cables a professional and sophisticated look. It's not just for show, though. The tweed provides an additional layer of protection against abrasion and wear, contributing to the cable's overall longevity. It feels substantial, yet not bulky, perfectly complementing the cable's flexible nature. In essence, what WORLD's Best CABLES has delivered with the WBC-PRO-Quad is a high-performance, professional-grade audio cable that addresses the common pain points of audio connectivity. Its combination of ultra-flexibility, superior noise rejection through the Star-Quad design, and the reliability of Nutric connectors, all wrapped in a durable tweed jacket, makes it a standout choice. For anyone looking to minimize noise, maximize signal integrity, and invest in cables that will perform flawlessly for years, these 6-foot WBC-PRO-Quad units are an exceptional option. They truly live up to the promise of delivering a world-class audio experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.